Hey guys, this is Epson WorkForce Pro WF-M4119. I want to show you how to quickly remove the ink. You use side button or up button to go to the ink image. Once you select the ink image, then you select OK. You show you ink cartridges replacement or print supplier status. Use the side button to go to ink cartridges replacement, select OK, then replace ink, next select OK, then you open up the printer and the ink holder will move and position itself where it's supposed to be for you to remove the ink. If you want to remove the ink, gently hold this way to remove it. If you want to put it back, make sure a lap to the left, then you go in, make sure the ink lap properly to your left, then push it down and it's in. And once it's done, you will see it will show you a thick good mark to show you that the ink is installed correctly. Then you gently close it. Now it will complete the initialization, which will take about 4 minutes. But this is exactly how this works. So now initialization is taking place. So it will take about 4 minutes for the initialization to complete. Replacement complete, then you select dismiss, select OK. You go back, then you go back to the home page. So this is exactly how to replace the ink. Thank you.